So here we are 1 month later. The room has been dried out, the wall has been fixed, and new carpet has been put down. It would be an understatement to say that I am ready to move everything back in and have my office and my workspace, my wardrobe all back together. So here we are, day 2. I am moving back into my office. One of the big things that I have really wanted to do quickly, that I was eager to do, was get all of my ties moved back in and put back on the rack. So I have been using the tie drawer storage method that I talked about in one of my recent videos a few months back. And I wanted to get them back on that rack, make sure I got any wrinkles out, etc., that may have developed from them being stored in the drawer. So really nice to have those back up. Also just really nice to see everything out. I've also been able to get some art and things back up on the wall. I've got the furniture moved into, for the most part, where I want it to go. And I found a different layout that I like. I think it'll be very conducive to what I'm wanting to do. And yeah, while I have a few, I've got quite a bit of fine tuning to do in here. I'm also changing out my autumn-winter clothes to the spring and summer wardrobe. So that's going to add a little bit of time to the overall process. But I am eager to get everything cleaned up so that I can get back to making more videos. And I've also got quite a few seasons of X-Files to binge watch while I'm doing this. So it's not going to be all bad. Stay tuned. Now I'd like to hear from you. If you've ever had to move or relocate, what is the first thing that you unpack when you get to your new location? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.